Today we're doing Jamie Rozzi's 131 build, plus a bunch of accessories. We're also doing a Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 kit, some underglow lights, and some other added accessories that Jamie likes to put on. I've always been one for giving the customer what they want. We try to meet all their expectations, but if you can give them that, you should smile on their face. And the excitement in their voice, you can definitely tell you've met their expectations. It's that wow factor, because it's a lifelong customer. It's that wow factor.
Won't you please put your hands together and congratulate our friend Jamie, the newest member of the Wilkins Harley-Davidson 100 horsepower club!
Jamie, we started with 88 horsepower and 110 torque. We finished with 124 horse and 140 torque.
Perfect. Awesome.
Thank you so much, man. You did such a great job.
Try.